Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Yesterday in Discord, I mentioned that if price action moved above 113.6K, I'd feel more confident about my 112.8K entry. So far, we've climbed from the 112K trenches to 114.7K, even briefly pushing past that level. However, on Monday we were rejected at 115.7K, a level that previously acted as support during the July 15th drop, again on July 25th and 30th, and now shows resistance on August 1st and 4th. Despite a bearish divergence flashing today, price seems to be holding at the 114.4K range, potentially forming a base to climb higher. On lower timeframes, most indicators show strength. Money flow is in the green, and RSI is gradually climbing. The daily chart also showed a green dot momentum shift on the 5th, hinting at a potential move higher from a higher time frame perspective. Let's look at the liquidation heat map for clues. Starting with the 3-day view, there's indecision, but larger liquidity pools sit above current price levels. 115.7K, 116K, 116.6K, and 117K. Below us, major interest is clustered around 113K, 111K, and 110K. Zooming into the one-day chart, we see the most visible cluster at 115.9K, suggesting near-term pull potential toward that zone. On the weekly heat map, there's only one prominent cluster above us at 119.3K, almost nothing below, which might be interpreted as a sign of directional bias upward, especially during an August month. Historically, August has brought momentum before trend shifts later in the year. Before wrapping up, I noticed two yellow X's on the 8-minute chart. One appeared shortly after the move above 114.7K, and another at the 114.4K level, both spots where price showed signs of weakness. It raises the question of how long price can be held down in these areas. Looking at ETF flows, today was another red day, with minus 323.5 million in outflows, mainly led by BlackRock clients with minus 292.2 million. Interestingly, Bitwise clients added 18.7 million, showing some dip buying activity. On a related note, El Salvador continues to increase its Bitcoin reserve, now holding a total of 6,258.18 Bitcoin in their strategic Bitcoin reserve. I'll continue posting daily updates as things evolve. Join the free Discord if you want real-time chart commentary. Like the video if you found it helpful. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a market update. And see you in the next one.